This presentation will help you use and access the library databases provided by the Escondido Public Library. Databases are important resources that provide information that is useful for students, professors, or any library user looking for information that is peer-reviewed, accurate, specialized, and more. These are a few examples of the databases that are available. To see more, log onto the Online Resources tab on the library website. To access the databases, follow along with these steps. Start by logging onto the library's home page. Then click on Online Resources. You will find links to all the available resources, but scroll down to the bottom to find the databases. Here you will see all your options. Here is a brief tutorial that is also available in Spanish. To use the databases, you need a library card to gain access. For databases like Ancestry.com, your library card is your username. The same is true for A to Z databases. Masterfile is a good database to start. Log in with your library account. It is a helpful database for getting started with research. Use the search bar to help narrow down your search. The advanced search option lets you filter even more. With databases, you get a variety of resources to work with. With all resources, you are given a citation button to help cite sources. If you need further assistance with databases, seek assistance from the reference staff. They are a phone call or email away. These are some sources used to create this presentation.